Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to use the offset command in AutoCAD while working with layers. For example, I have this layer. If you just pick it, you can see this layer is structural or S footing. So I can just delete because I want to create a foundation plan quickly using offset and layers. Now I'm just going to quick select, and then I'm going to go to layers and select as footing, and then just delete those. From here, this is a layers from Chief Architect footing. Now I want to select all footing. If we can go to layer properties, okay, I will select by properties. Select, quick select, and then I'll go to layers. I want footing, this layer, okay. Or we can just right click, quick select. Working with layers is so easy. And then this layer I can assign structural footing, okay. This layer and just right click and then go to draw order, send back, right click. I'll take this layer that I want to appear at the top, right click, draw order, bring to the front, and then this layer I can just trim at that point. Okay, I will merge properties, that layer. Now I want to create internal footings for these internal walls, because this one is done automatic and I want to do quickly here in AutoCAD. So I want to use the offset command, an offset of 6 inches, because this wall I think it's 4 inches, okay, and I want a footing over 18-inch width. So 4 minus 18, I'm remaining with 14. So I can offset an offset of 7 inches. Now you can just activate offset and then 7-inch, enter, and then I want let's first offset. So usually you just use 7-inch and then click enter, and then after that you offset. Now how is this happening? Because in unusual circumstances, if you click offset, you have to click through, select whether you want to erase or not. Usually the default is no, and the layer, usually the default is source. So if I offset under usual circumstance, it will be something like that. Now I want to offset with a different layers, with the layer of S footing, and if you want to delete the source, you can just select delete source, yes, or for my circumstance, because I don't want to delete the source, I just want to offset, I will just leave it as no, and then just click, then go to erase, say no, and then go to layer. Now the layer is what you choose here. I want you make sure the current layer is what you want, and then repeat the process, offset, just change the layer to current, and then enter. Now I can quickly create this internal footing. Now I can just select by layer, go to quick select, by layer, select structural or S footing, okay, and then I can move from there, and then I can use fillet multiple. And we can just make our work fast and easier using offset with layers in AutoCAD, just as demonstrated in this video. Okay. Now what is missing is go again. So the default is still what you set. Now I will need that. And okay, just move. Join. Join. Trim. Now it's clear that I have worked very fast compared to if I did not use that trick in this scenario. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.